Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be working on Paul's Focus ST. It runs rough basically. When he's trying to accelerate away it's bogging down, it won't go anywhere. And we've got a sneaking suspicion, go on, open up the bonnet, Paul, that the spring, let him get that on, in the swirl flap control module down the back there, there's a spring that's supposed to return the cable. We've got a sneaking suspicion that's come off because that's a common problem in these. But we've also got to change the inlet manifold itself because the cable for the swirl flaps, the connection that's supposed to be underneath the throttle body has been snapped off. So stick around and see how we get on. Right, as you've just seen us moving some stuff there out of the way, you can actually see what we're trying to get to. So we've got to replace this inlet manifold, and then that down there is the control module that we're trying to get out to repair the spring that we believe's become loose in it. That's a common problem on these STs. So we'll carry on. This is the actuator control model. As you've seen, we just got off the bulkhead. And what we're reckoning here is that the spring for returning the cable, because that cable should be pulled back in nice and tight now, we reckon the springs come off. So we'll take it apart and have a look. Paul was over there changing the rubbers from the old manifold to the new one. Ready to get that put back in.
Which I'm about to do. Which I'm about to do.
I thought you were doing it.
Yeah. I took a few bits off that we don't need.
Screwdriver. Alright, so you have to be careful in here because you've got the gears and the motor and the board. Need to try and get this out because the spring is in here, and as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but I'll try and show you a bit better in a minute. It's not actually connected to anything. And these are quite a tight fit, so you have to give them a gentle bit of persuasion every now and again. So this bit of the spring here, it's a little loop, it's actually supposed to be on the other side of this block, which helps pull the cable back round to where it goes and locks in. And it's, like I said before, it's a common fault on these for that to come off. I'll try and get that on now. You see there, that's how that's supposed to be, looped over, held on. So now whenever the cable gets pulled, whenever the control module pulls, that pulls this back, which allows the cable to actually actuate and do what it's supposed to do, and keep the swirl flaps closed. Right, so you can see here, these are some of the codes we started with. So we're going to try and clear all them now, run the cart. Hopefully now we've fixed that spring and got the cable connected up. These bottom two here, this P1518 and P1520. Hopefully they're gone and no more of an issue. Let's get that done. Right, so that's it, that's all the codes cleared. So we'll try and run it up now, cycle it through and run another scan, see if that's actually resolved the issue. Well, that's good. We've only got the not all ODB2 systems monitor checks complete, which we've got to figure out why it's doing that. But at least the other two have gone now. Now we just need to drop the bonnet and let Paul take it for a test drive. If you like what we're doing in these videos, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment, let us know what you think. And we'll be back soon with another one.